Need app alerts back on your Android, but nothing is popping up? Here's how to quickly unblock notifications in under a minute. First, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen to open Quick Settings. Look for the notifications bell icon. If it looks muted or disabled, tap it once to turn notifications back on. Now, try triggering a notification from any app, like sending yourself a message, to see if alerts show up again. If you still don't see anything, don't worry. Let's go into the main settings for a deeper fix. Open the Settings app on your Android phone to start adjusting notification options. In Settings, tap Notifications. This is where you control how alerts behave on your device. Next, tap App Notifications, or the option that lists all your apps. Scroll to find the app you're missing alerts from, then tap its name. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. If the switch is off, tap it to enable it. You can also expand more options here to customize sounds, pop-ups, and lock screen alerts if you like. That's it. Your notification should now be unblocked. If alerts still don't appear, restart your phone and check Do Not Disturb settings.